skin-free milk. This skin-free milk, I'll measure in 60 ml of it. 60 ml of my skin-free milk. Yes, I'm adding in 60 ml, which is 2 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons, guys. Sorry, 4 tablespoons. Yes, I'll be adding in 4 tablespoons of it. Okay. I'll be also adding my whitening oil. I've been telling you this soap is for whitening, so I'll add in my whitening oil. I'll not add in any water. Okay, this soap will be like that. I'll add in 60 ml of my whitening oil because of the quantity of my soap, so take note. And I'm going to add in my argan oil for stretch marks so that it will moisturize the skin very well. And if the person even have stretch marks, argan oil is very good because it treats that. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of it. And I'm also going to add in my white secret oil. Guys, I'll add in white secret oil, only 1 tablespoon of it. 1 tablespoon of my white secret oil. And I'll add in my half caste oil. Yes, this soap is for half caste, so I'll be adding in 60 ml of it. 60 ml of it. 60 ml of it. I'm going to add in my Shalom stretch marks oil. I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons, guys. Yes, which is more than half of the bottle. I'll add in my gasoline, which is the whitening gasoline. I'll not add in any water. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of my gasoline. Guys, don't forget to add in your Shenek Perfect Leg. Yes, I'll add in my Shenek Perfect Leg. 60 ml of it because this soap, it can cause stretch, so I'll have to add in all the stretch marks protection things. Okay, so I added in. Also, I'm going to also add in my honey. Honey is very